Thank you for watching Sweet Eminence Candle Company. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Sinkholes and imperfections form when the soy wax is poured at a high temperature. To fix this problem, use a sharp object to pierce all of visible sinkholes. This will allow melted wax to drain into and fill the sinkholes. Use a heat source to melt the top layer of the soy wax until a wax pool forms. The best method is to go in a circular motion until you see a wax pool forming. Don't get too close to the wax with the heat source because you don't want to burn the wax. As you can see, as the wax melts, the wax pool is filling in the sinkholes. Now that the wax pool has filled in the sinkholes will not be visible once the wax cures. And there you go, all of the sinkholes are gone. I hope you all enjoyed this quick tutorial. As always, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.